Alright, the last part of R.2 that we want to look at is the distributive property. And the product of a real number. Let's just not worry about this. How about this? The distributive property says if I have something outside of the parentheses, so I have A multiplied times a sum or A multiplied times a difference, what I'm going to do is take A and multiply it times each term that's in the parentheses. So A times B is AB plus A times C. Here if I have a difference, I take A, I'm still multiplied times each term. Inside the parentheses, A times B is AB minus, and then I say A times C is AC. Alright, so if I'm using the distributive property, some examples. If I have 8 multiplied times the difference of m minus 2n, I take 8 times m, it'd be 8m minus 8 times 2n, which is 16n. Then I look to see, can I combine those together? If so, I do. But 8m and 16n are not the same. They are not like terms. Alright, next, I have negative. And this is, you could think of this as negative 1 times what's inside, or you could think of it as subtraction. So in either case, I apply that negative to both terms, or however many terms are inside that parentheses. So if I say negative 1 times negative 3r, I get a positive 3r, and negative 1 times positive 5s would give me negative 5s. Then if I can combine them together, I do. But they're not like terms, so I can't. I don't know what that is, so mark that out. Alright, 3/4 multiplied times what's in parentheses would be 3/4 times 5/6. Remember, when multiplying fractions, it's top times top. So that would be 15, and bottom times bottom would be 24p. 3 times 1, 4 times 2, q. And then 3/4 times negative 28. I could say 3 times negative 28, then divide it by 4, or I can say negative 28 divided by 4 is 7, times 3 makes negative 21. So you can do it like this. Let's see, what is that? What's 28 times 3? 84. Over 4, and then simplify this to 21, or you can say negative 28 divided by 4 times 3, negative 21. Alright, then simplify any fractions that are possible to be simplified. 15 and 24 both simplify by 3. So 5/8 p plus 3/8 q minus 21. Now I can't combine these together because one's a p and one's a q.